Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. I am your lady Tania. I know guys that a lot of you highly miss Cayman, miss Mr. Williams, and I am here to do an update on Mr. Williams. Guys, please watch the entire video. People from all over the world.
You must have some dash away. Oh, you have flu. Why you to board up the house?
Yeah.
Oh my. How you catch flu now? I know corona.
No. It's okay.
Okay. So you just board it off?
Yeah. We are farming up to daughter blowing now.
Oh. So you're tired of the water and then something there?
I mind around for you know me I said I said to me know you have baby me don't find anything worse or
no sir, life did very hard for me, man. Life did very hard.
Then me there say no my mind say about something like that see.
Me meeting our accident.
Oh,
lose my car.
How you say?
Yeah man, and then me out of a job, and then financially me never do so well. So it make it so difficult for me to function. You understand? So me could function. Me want come, me want bring something, but me not have no car. Me not, if you look, me not have no car. You know, you see? That's why you're not even come.
You say that different car.
So me just show you, so me not even have no car. So that was the struggles.
Okay.
Some of the struggles when me did I go through. So me could reach to you because my life did look harder than you.
Me say man, me say boy something most wrong.
Yeah,
something
but
wrong.
the guy from Canada they tell me say come round here.
Yeah,
and so,
man, he come here man and all the bush and all them things.
Yeah, so when he tell me there's something they know, me just say okay, good. Yeah. So me not feel worry myself.
Yeah, man,
because yes, he tell me say bring food, so not worry myself and all of that. He tell me all of that. So me not say. Me never so worried.
Yes,
but now me I say maybe you not get no food now.
No sir. You know from when? All the lady we used to carry the money come to me. At 3 months now me no see me no.
Which lady that?
One lady man used to bring we don't call the thing there we don't give out there again
Path? Oh me never know says.
Yes man, yeah man. MP them birth me up on the scene. I get $6,000 a month time.
Oh.
What 3 months now, I don't get none.
Maybe, I don't know what happened. Maybe something happened to her.
3 months now, I don't see.
But you have flu, man. So,
yeah. What do you think got now? Save me, say me save gas. We could drop a gas in the head.
One little bit of gas you have.
So, I go come here, so now say me cook and the rain go do down for me.
Oh, and then you're out in the cool also. Alright. Me not have much money because out of my pocket now me I spend. Me no do collections anymore. So me only go write down what you need, go up on the road, buy it, and then come back. Alright, so me go just take a list of everything, run on the road and get it and come back. Alright? May I get 1 pen in a car?
Yeah.
You have no pen, Chad?
Nope.
The car run?
No.
I want to make the phone. Oh, over
I
there.
think over there, so
Open it. So last year came and it was one of my worst years. I was so depressed.
Well, one thing me glad for still, so you still live your life and you don't lose your life.
Me so depressed and stressed out.
And
then me just run when I end. Me say, you know what? Me have to
me lion is, you know.
find somewhere go, and so me end up at Guyana.
Okay.
And then me come back now and me say, me relax and me still not have no money, you know.
Yeah.
But God that keep me.
And more you can say that again.
Alright. What you need now? Flour?
Yeah. The sugar. You could tin my coconut oil and them stuff next.
tin mackerel.
Little butter. Little salt. Can't forget them there. Seeing.
Salt.
Yeah.
Rice.
Yes. Any little thing you can put on it for me now, person and tell it right.
Yeah, go on seasoning.
Yeah, man, yeah, go on and make up, man.
Bread.
Yes.
What you normally eat with the bread?
Sardine. Yeah, man. That's when you come on.
Saltfish.
Yeah.
What else? Pill. You have pill I take?
No, give me a cup of pill.
Pill?
Yeah.
Which one you take? A Panadol?
Panadol,
flu. Flu and
I
cold.
must see one meal looking at something.
So Panadol.
Yeah.
You have drinking water.
Yeah. I want soft drinks in it.
Soft drinks.
Yeah.
What else? Rice or sugar? What else people always buy, Chad? Help me out.
Cock soup on it.
Yes, that's the one I mean, but you know, I don't want to put too much pressure on you.
Cock soup. Yeah, man, me know, but
Yeah.
You want peas too?
Peas now, me I want some peas. In there.
Oh, okay.
peas. Help me, Chad.
I look when you see on a coconut tree. A coconut tree near?
Yeah,
Okay.
coconut butter now, for me, no, that's what it is.
So at the dry coconut they use and make coconut milk then?
Oh, you have soap.
No, that's the one I something. Fab.
Soap,
bathing one,
fab.
Yeah.
You have bathing soap.
Yeah, bathing one, but I fab, you know.
I think that's it.
That's it.
Alright, so may pick up like a snack like.
This video is brought to you by Chaser Production Visuals. Call them if you want stunning wedding coverage, anniversary coverage, music videos, real estate videos and photos, funeral coverage, and many more. 876-348-5971.
Little bowl and there something there.
Yes.
So I'm gonna run on the road and come back here. Make sure so you're there, you know.
No, man, I don't leave you, man. If you hold me down, so I'm not let her.
Yeah, me just a come back run, you know. But I'm happy to see you, man. You still look young and nice. You take off like a weight though.
Yeah, man, yeah. If you were far now, you can,
The flu take you down. You take off some weight.
Yeah, me now, you told you, man, how old boy.
How much year old you be now?
Yeah, 89 now.
89?
No, 89.
Almost 70.
79.
Oh, 79. You nearly give me heart attack a while ago.
79. Could you 89 when I go for 100?
Me almost get heart attack.
Well, 79, no man.
Alright, may I go get the liquor
Yes.
food for you and come back.
Okay. You know, sir, who come here and ask me that day? Man, they fix up the young to me work out I state court in England.
He's still out there?
Yeah, man.
The from Portmore?
Yeah, man. He no left me, man. He no left me.
But remember, you never hear from him for a long while.
Oh, for a while.
Unless indeed they can leave or them little something there.
Yeah.
Yes, man, I hope this year is a better year for me.
Okay.
Last year, it was rough.
I'm so big there, I'm fetching a one day for you have a baby and something going down bad and
yes, and then my son have a surgery to do soon, you know.
Yeah.
I have a surgery to do. So I work on that to do the surgery and all that. But otherwise,
you know, see all the while people ask me for you.
Yeah,
man, I go out on the road, man, people have one pretty lady where you come check you. Yes,
they would understand pretty lady go through hard life too. We know we are all humans. We have our moments, we have our up and our down.
Actually, you don't know about you, I would probably very respect you, know. Yes, man, Valencia, you do something.
Because in cases like those, you know, me not gonna have nobody to call upon and say, yo, you want to help me out, me want this. No, me have to hustle it out and help out myself. So it's a case like that.
Yeah, man, you go out on the road, all else only you talk. What, you pretty lady where you come check you. I see a long time, I don't see even know what happened.
I go buy the things and come back here.
Yes. Give thanks.
Alright.
Yeah.
Guys, aren't you happy to see Mr. Williams? Aren't you happy to see Caveman? Guys, I am just going to pick up a few items and return. Watch the entire video for us to continue to be updated about our lovely Mr. Williams.
Yeah, man, that's right. Correct. Wait, but me just weak. I have everything.
Alright, now what you're going to do now?
Give her some my pill.
Yes, may I give her some my pill, man.
Yes,
So you pill them, man.
So we just got the groceries for Caveman, so we're on our way back to Caveman house.
Well, you wait until you come back, man.
Oh Lord. Are the Cetamol tablet me get, you know? The Cetamol. I think that can help. That can help me out?
Thank you very much.
Is that your phone?
Hmm?
Your phone?
Yes, that's my phone.
And then you come up and walk around your house and see. Did you take any of the pill earlier?
No.
You don't want to take none now?
Right, I know.
Or eat something.
Alright.
Eat something and take the pill.
You want some of my pill?
I'm gonna eat some and pill because I don't know how him go by. Guys, I don't know if you know these were the sweetie we used to eat during
No.
primary school.
These were the pills we used to take. This is for Mali.
So I'm gonna try it out. You want 2 pill here, man?
Alright, you see the pill.
No, so nice.
Oh, yeah, I got my pill.
Seriously.
You're
not drunk, you?
No, sir. Yeah, alcohol, man, so you can't do.
So what you plant over here, so now?
Clean up, you know, and plant pumpkin and it's up. Pumpkin around a come down. Yeah. the next few months you come down and I quit you up again. Man.
Yes. We go over there.
Yeah. You may not taste enough coconut there, but it's the coconut like Sunday.
The coconut tree.
Yeah, the people drink my kind of man feet.
You plant the pumpkin already?
Yeah, I see pumpkin plant and I run and I plant one that because when it starts running, the whole place run up. And I guava trees when you be up, you guava like sun.
And you have no guava for the now?
One. And we say me not chop it down now because it's sweet like a syrup.
That place pretty. Cool environment. Cool and nice and relaxing. You want one little chair over here, so man. You're so cool. Want to more, sweetie? Guava, see cow come.
No problem, I see you. I came cow them.
I say fat.
In calf.
Ain't fatty, man?
In calf, I say titty big.
You want sweetie cow?
You use two man enough for a woman, tie them out.
You want one? Maybe in things I'm my owner.
Can't go on.
Yeah, man, I want a lady.
That's why I come to me, because I think say I'm me. I'm me own him myself. What kind of voice that? Can I touch him? Fly about the cow. I just want to run come out here because I think say she a talk.
You know business about me.
I'm going to leave you now.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Yes, oh, yeah, but I can't
so you can't,
yes,
because you're sick.
Man, what I mean?
You can't cook the cabbage. And all of that.
Well, cook your cabbage with the bird.
I'm going to leave you now.
Okay, madam. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
As long as you have health,
Yes.
you're good.
Okay.
So eat something, take the pill,
Yes, man.
and then me see you back sometime.
Okay.
Alright, anything you want to say to anybody out there?
Well, you know, like, send blessing to all the person them who help me and make them know so I'm still alive. You know, dollars yet. So if they still have something like copper, then can still send it same way. I'm still a suffer same way and thing. But me give God thanks and praise, you know. Still alive.
Yes.
And I'm much better home and it stay more contented at night time.
Yes.
Don't mosquito, not all enough you bite me.
Yes.
So I give thanks to it, you know. Okay.
Man. Alright, so
Yes.
I'll come back and we'll keep in touch.
Okay. Goodbye.
Alright, bye.
Yes.
One go eat and take the pill.
Okay.
Guys, it is a joy to see Mr. Williams again, and it is indeed a blessing to know that he's here and he's still strong and being able to help himself. You can leave in the comment section and share your most memorable moment with Mr. Williams. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of